ISOKO manowado sa ISOKO. Esse João é que marejire. Emeje varietom water sami e. Orewo chonam. Hayo awomai. Wa tama bekere. Wa bozio. Boziawo. Abewora. Arwe wora woma. Ikbe no what if UKANE. Emeje varieto. Or arejo one again varieto. Well, I made a post recently and I was talking about Emevo people. And mind you, not only Emevo. I just make sure Emevo first. Even my own community, Erowa now come from Amume. Even Ozoro, Ole, Oyede, Aviara, every community in ISOKO land. Not tell me say na everywhere it happen. I know say na everywhere it happen. Na ISOKO things I dey do. I be ISOKO person. So if I dey talk my thing, I dey do my thing. Na about ISOKO. I don't know of other tribe. Hello, not to concern me, concern other tribe. Na my tribe now know. My tribe now know. Now they talk about. And now the things that they do alone. So if you don't get it, forget about it. Now I can't talk say Emevo people. Most of them, not be all of them I talk. Don't use most of them don't lost for UKANE. Especially Bini. It has been this way. They say anybody when come from ISOKO come out from Bini. Not be small. Emevo people plenty for Bini. Oversee and all of that. And not be only Emevo. Get it right, my people. ISOKO people. You get. Now, I'll not talk anything bad against Emevo or any other community in ISOKO. I'll not talk anything bad. In case you don't understand my word, you try to understand. If you don't understand, get out. Not come to change my mouth. Wetin I dey talk be say, or wetin I may be say. Make we dey try dey come home once. They build our home. ISOKO. You be from Irio, Aviara, Oenwell, Igbijo, Emezo, Ozo, Owe, Akiowe, Ofagbe, Elu, Onye, Ovrode, Ode, Emezo, Oyede, Iyede, anywhere you brede ni. If from anywhere you come from ISOKO, I say, make una dey come home. Make we, me I did too. Now plus me, all of us, we mat together. Make we dey try dey come home. Make we dey develop our home. Dey build our home. Even as we dey UKANE, you get. Not be everybody go dey village now. Not be everybody go dey home. And not be everybody they go. So if you can't go UKANE, and they use ISOKO, they use English join. Even if I break the English, now you go manage them because some of them they try me. I know where this is, many body don't provoke me. Una go patch the English together. Me not tell me say you don't understand what I do. I make I use English. So what time I come with ISOKO. Who dey UKANE, not the rich house. Who go UKANE, not the building home. Who go UKANE, not the developing home. Now so they talk. Where they write up put. Oh no, UKANE, you know what they call UKANE. You when you come out from your community, go another person land, another community, or another place, go hustle. Now they call UKANE. Where you go so? Now you go hustle. Now UKANE be that. So who go UKANE? Not the go house, not the rich house. They pursue you. We swear me for back where I didn't know where. Now so they talk. If and even some persons when did UKANE, so it be like I can whitewash most of them some more. Some of them will go UKANE so. True, they don't lost for them. Most ISOKO people, they don't know road to ISOKO. Because their fathers, their mothers don't show, they don't carry their go home. They don't even know road to ISOKO. They don't even know where they call ISOKO. Don't talk of their community. Don't talk of their family, where their family. Most people, they don't know their family compound. Most of them, they don't even get compound. You don't know, say, where you do so now. You be a rigbo. You be like you don't know. You be slave. You be stranger for another man land. You be stranger, you don't know. And you be stranger now. Which one you don't want to carry another person land for her like say you be your motor for them. Now lie now. No, they do like that. Such thing is a bad. It's a very big bad. Now so me talk. You won't beat me. You won't beat me for the man. I say no, they carry another person land for head, another person community, another person land when you go hustle to make life. Then you won't come claim ownership for them. You won't come they claim say now there you come from God. Forget say you build us for them. They make life for them. You not be from there. You be a stranger for there. Not to me they going to tell you say you be your rig before there. No. Go back to where you come from. I'm not saying come back, finish. At least when you go your UKANE, small time, you go. Where I say, my bobo, where just see a bobo canera, been there, but now still they show na children, una family road, una hometown road. I be from so place, or see where I come from, or see where I come from. Condition make refuge burn or person go grow up, you go hustle life, make life. Now we take the year, we'll be strangers for year. But where I come from, now so place, now so that they do, and I wish not be some of now they want to do like say, now want it like say, wish full your hometown. So where you do, so if wish won't buy you, wish not go buy you, which go buy you with better style now. Why you can't do like say, now so it just be. Alright, if you're and I say bad, my brother, my sister. Sure you understand what I mean now. My better, I call him. Why it's a map? Then why most of them now? UKANE nowhere. As you go, UKANE nowhere. So, uncle, brother, go home now. I mean, they shim shy. Not shim shy. No shim shy. It's a chihuahua with Pomaran Vitin. No shim shy. If UKANE nowhere. If UKANE not favor you, you go back home. I say gaga wele la go be befi. Well no motor you go me go me papa or come bizo your fear. I be the job we be na rupa back. Are to move for and her. Kokomo mara you muzo azora befe. Nobody worry nobody. You understand what I mean now? So if you go UKANE, you say you UKANE not the when you come back because most of Unana, my pikin de Lagos, my pikin de Port Harcourt, my uncle, my brother, my father, my this de UKANE, he de Lagos, he de Abuja, he de Port Harcourt, he de overseas, he de this. You ya bonoro we bevobe or gav you no or my bevobe global. About the China I say bad. Make una change. You understand what I mean now? So now you could maybe be na keita, but we really have a time. Obey na no warona. Those of na one UKANE why UKANE if you bucket. Those of na one UKANE favor so. Because the life you get as it is. Enough if favor everybody finish. So those of na one UKANE favor so. Make una try the few but for people one kind of favor. Make it make it for blend well. You understand? So then you, when they want feel ball, okay, you too get sense. When they feel ball for you, you go use the obufia when they give you, so take package well, so that you too go see feel ball, give another person. Then when they do so, now go they come home. No, now people land on a deal. Now people make that place develop like that when it tastes sweet you, when you take the enjoy am for deal. Oh yeah, now make we try, make we do our own too now, make our own still dey okay for people, because as soon as go another land, another people land go UKANE, so now so another people still come our ISOKO land, come UKANE. Hello, are you getting what I'm saying now? We be here, me man as easy. So Mareta Makere, we build and develop our hometown, ISOKO, our communities, so that the place go dey okay for people when you come UKANE. Go still dey okay for we, so that anytime when we come from our UKANE come home, we go still enjoy them. We go see, you understand what I mean now? Because other people when get that side, and then develop that side. When I can see they join hand with those people, they develop that side, they look good. So what thing happen when we say we not go come develop our own? Atanu mutame noro yo, oro kuvio. Umuto no are nwewo. When yana no resa work bani be, benyaro. Esia wora, ezio tisoko, weretama, wireje loena. Kemo borezobo, oborofo. They not they leave everything for government. Not be everything be government. Who be government? Shebi na me and you be government. Hello. So Kenny Arenaro Ababelia is a bad. So make una know they quote me wrong. You hear wetin I talk for this video, so now wetin I mean be that. Make una know the loss for UKANE. No be say una go die finish, wanna buy finish. They go come they carry una dead body, they come they find the community where you come from, they find the family where you come from, they find where they won't bury you, they find where this. No, such thing is a bad. Some of them said they even buried them for UKANE. After some years now, they will call some of them now they bury them. Some it happen, no, it they happen in case you don't know. I do one video I got telling us say ISOKO president not the burial for UKANE. Some of them they argue why some of them when the thing that happened to that they confirm the matter say not true. They go bury ISOKO president for UKANE for how many years? So when they bury, when they never born myself, they with ISOKO with the time I say that the tears they come home come bury. After many years, the thing will come they react. After some years, you see, it's a problem. It's a bad. Try know your culture. Try know your tradition. And do according to. Not be anybody tell you say me you come out for ISOKO. So as you come live through ISOKO, so you better follow the procedure. Not be quarrel, not be fight. Not be problem. So far make it good, make it better. So not be say they will bury for that, they will come you will come make your children they run hair scatter for you. No, it's a bad. Some of them they complain say ISOKO light, ISOKO do this. I don't understand. Who be the ISOKO self? No, oh, I know well, I know well. Now they make me they talk. Who be ISOKO self? Who be ISOKO? And who go maintain the ISOKO? Who go develop the ISOKO for you? Mat better tenant in a water. Who be ISOKO? And who you think say he go develop or make the ISOKO better for you? Not be me and you be the ISOKO. You know marvel where ISOKO now. Not be my fault say your papa or your mama come from ISOKO now. Not my fault. It's not my fault. I bet Mary na jo very cut to get to again at. But when I cut to get with her. eva o ISOKO when here aje you were ISOKO now then you which one will you they blame? Then now me and you go do it. We go maintain the ISOKO. Now me and you go build the ISOKO. Now me and you go develop the ISOKO. You do hear me? So when you see my face, so my face not this smile. My face not get joy. Because today I'm not this strong. My face not get joy. Now me and you get the ISOKO. Now me and you go see maintain the ISOKO. You do hear me? So not be everything be leaders. Leaders get their own problem for head. Me and you still get our own problem for head too. So now me and you, all of us will join hands together, make this ISOKO a better place for us. So who go UKANE, they try to come home, they try to build your home, they try to maintain your place. As they maintain UKANE when you do, so you go maintain your home too. Because now here you come from. Some of them don't talk to Erigbo for that side though. Don't tell you. Now what you carry me come on. This video don't dey long now. Me and if now let for me alone, I go talk today to tomorrow. Now no say me I don't tired. Because our train and what people like say what is a bad, very big capital letter bad. Sure, check the light night. You know if you bring light come ISOKO. Or what are they see by ISOKO? Or what are to one of the Bcuz to board the Koran? You are not very good. Or whatever you have by Benakere. Luno Velu. Every you know Kofi ask what did happen? Why the light? Why ISOKO not get light? Okay, what should we do? Oh, Ibo Mejana ye. What should we do for ISOKO to have light? What is the procedure or what is the requirement or whatever? Your mates not rich people go ask questions for dear. Then if they tell you that we'll put us together, then we'll know how we go turn to ISOKO go call get light. So which one come you now come they want to put up for one person, but this is one person yet say now one person do what he want to do what he which one maybe one don't make me talk as I did so call you say what it is sir. Worry you nobody worried nobody. Make your place a better place. Hello. Do you get what I'm saying? You understand me? If you don't get it, forget about it. About the China, I say what? Say bad. I share what it said. Oh.